2025 Lamborghini Tempesta. The year is 2025. A broken bar and Lamborghini has summoned a storm. A creation that doesn't just push boundaries, it obliterates them. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Lamborghini Tempesta. The name of Tempesta means storm in Italian. And just like a raging thunderstorm, this car is wild, powerful, and impossible to ignore. Beneath its sculpted, aggressive silhouette lies the beating heart of a monster, a twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with 3 advanced electric motors. Together, they unleash over 920 horsepower, a symphony of combustion and electrification that propels the Tempesta from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.7 seconds. Its top speed, an earth-shattering 340 km/h and beyond. The Tempesta's design is a story written in wind and fury. From its razor-sharp LED headlights, inspired by lightning bolts, to its wide stance and muscular rear, every curve and angle has been engineered for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. Downforce is not a choice here, it's a demand, ensuring this raging bull remains glued to the asphalt even at terrifying speeds. Step inside, and you enter a cockpit designed for warriors. Inspired by fighter jets, the interior offers not 1, but 3 digital displays, a 12-inch driver cluster, an infotainment hub, and a passenger-side command screen. Hand-stitched Alcantara, forged carbon fiber, and titanium accents remind you that this is not just a car. A broken bar, it is a statement of Italian craftsmanship. And yet, every switch, every lever, every sound is designed with one purpose: adrenaline. The Tempesta is also Lamborghini's future, blending raw combustion power with electrification. Its 3.8 kWh battery allows short bursts of all-electric driving for the city, while regenerative systems ensure that even lightning can recharge itself. This is a car that respects the planet. A broken bar but never compromises on thrill. On the road, the Tempesta 2025 is not simply driven. It is commanded. It responds to your will with surgical precision, reminding you that Lamborghini doesn't build cars for the ordinary. It builds icons for the fearless. This is more than horsepower. More than engineering. More than design. A broken bar is a storm made metal. This is the Lamborghini Tempesta 2025, a born from thunder, powered by lightning, and destined to dominate every horizon.